As a children's ministry leader, you're not just a mountain climber. You're a mountain guide. You're leading a group of volunteers to the summit. You're roped up with your team and encouraging them toward becoming the best volunteers they can be. This resource is a labor of love meant to help you do exactly that. Use it in whatever way serves you best, but here are some suggestions. First, give it to your volunteers. That one seems kind of like a no-brainer, but seriously, this is a resource meant for them, so share these videos with them. Send them to your current volunteers and ask them to watch. More than that, send them to every new volunteer as a way to help them get started with a bang. Second, establish a team time. If your volunteers show up at the same time as the kids, it's next to impossible to connect with them. If you don't already, ask your volunteers to arrive 15 minutes before the kids are allowed into the room. Use that time to catch up with one another, pray for each other and the ministry, and for training. You'll be amazed at what this little bit of time will do for your team. Third, feed them some training nuggets. Spend part of your team time talking through one of the 2-minute trainers. These training pieces are intentionally broken up into bite sizes so that you can quickly train your volunteers during times like this. Maybe choose just one topic for the month. Ask your volunteers to do a self-assessment. Ask them how they're doing with that topic. Ask them if they have anything to add to the topic. As a team, come up with a game plan for improving. There are 1,000 ways you could use these trainers. These are just a couple of possibilities. Regardless of how you use them, though, we hope they'll be a valuable part of your ascent up that mountain.